In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Grok 4 without paying for SuperGrok. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in LMarena and search for it. Now navigate to this one website. Once you're on the official website of LMarena, go ahead and sign up for the account. Once you do that, click on this drop down for the battle. Select Direct Chat. This will allow you to interact directly with AI models. After opening Direct Chat, you will be prompted to choose a model. Type Grok into the model selection field and select the Grok 4 model from the list. Once selected, you will be taken to a chat interface where you can test the model by typing a simple prompt like, "Which model are you?" and click Submit. If you receive a response that confirms you have now access to Grok 4 using the LMarena.ai method without needing a SuperGrok subscription. This approach lets you explore Grok 4's features for research, creativity, or experimentation completely free. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.